I am from Air Environmental. Today I'm working on this ICS chiller. I found a problem with flow switch. It's basically not showing any flow when pumps are running. As you can see, it is the paddle that's snapped. So hopefully we'll just be able to replace it. So as you can see, I've put a new paddle on it. So now the water's got something to push against to activate the switch. Alright, so pumps are running, flow switch is back in. And we have 240, 250 even, coming out with pumps running. So once the pumps stop running, we should have 240, 250 coming out of that normally open contact. So pumps have stopped running now. So now we should have 250 coming out of this normally open contact, which we've got, and nothing out of that normally closed contact. So that is now working fine.